The fuck? I ain't going nowhere.
Key.
What's the problem?
What's the key?
Oh, look who it is, bro. You're not supposed to talk to me.
I don't know who you are.
No.
What is your name? What is your name? Sir, what is your
I have a
name?
motor vehicle stop, 28th and KB. It's going to be
Babe, I'm gonna turn my camera on.
Yeah, turn your camera on.
My camera's on too.
No, don't worry about it. You're not supposed to talk to me.
I don't know who you are.
Don't worry about it.
You're not supposed to.
I have no idea who he is.
You know who he is, sir.
No idea. All right. M. Can you start me back up, please? 28 and KB. License, registration, and insurance.
Don't worry about it.
That's a
I need a supervisor here now. Before, no, I'm not going to talk to you.
License,
I'm not going to talk to you. Supervisor here now. Supervisor here now.
Registration.
Supervisor here now. Supervisor here now. Supervisor here now.
MC9 non-compliant motorist. I need a backup ASAP.
I'm not saying I'm not complying.
License, registration, and insurance. You're required by state law when you're operating a motor vehicle to produce license, registration, and insurance to a police officer upon demand.
I'm requesting a supervisor.
I'll get
Hello?
one once I have your documentation, sir. All right?
Yep. Yep.
All right, so
Yep.
license, registration, and
Look how you got
insurance.
me, bro. Look how you got me. I need a supervisor here now.
I'll get once I have your
I need a
license, your
supervisor here
registration,
now.
and your
I
insurance.
need a supervisor here now.
I will request a supervisor
I need a
first.
supervisor.